Infinitives act as subjects when to plus a verb starts a sentence. The infinitive phrase becomes the subject of the sentence. Notice the example to learn is important. Here to learn functions as the subject with is important as the predicate. An infinitive is the base form of a verb with to in front. It acts like a noun in sentences. The structure follows to plus any verb. For example, to learn and to eat both show infinitives. Infinitives express actions in their basic dictionary form. When to plus a verb acts as the subject of the sentence. This creates a formal structure. Common examples include to learn is important, to err is human, to give is better, and to swim is fun. The infinitive always comes first as the subject. The structure follows infinitive subject plus verb plus complement. For example, to learn plus is plus important. The infinitive serves as subject, the linking verb connects, and the complement describes the infinitive. This pattern creates clear formal sentences. Infinitives work with different verbs and complements. To know is power shows knowledge as strength. To forgive is divine expresses moral ideals. To work is necessary, and to succeed takes effort show real-life applications. Each follows the same subject pattern. Practice spotting infinitives as subjects. To dance is joyful expresses emotion. To read expands minds shows benefits. To teach rewards and to listen builds trust demonstrate positive outcomes. Notice how to plus verb always signals the subject position. To plus verb creates the subject in formal sentences. This structure commonly pairs with is or are verbs. Infinitives express general truths and principles. Practice recognizing to learn English is exciting as the perfect example of this grammar pattern.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.